Hi, my dear staunch lovers of English. I'm Dr. Amaranadh.V. I'm a trainer of soft skills and life skills. In this video, you can watch the fearless speaking ability of King's constant learners in the context of 1 minute 10 dialogues in English. Watch and encourage.
Respected trainer Dr. Amaranadh and my dear Bobian brothers and sisters. Today the contest is 1 minute 10 dialogues.
Fear the fear before the fear fears you, terror the terror before the terror terrifies you. After the COVID-19 virus, they're not listening to their parents' words. And because of online classes, every student got their own mobile phones. On how to download this game, how to play with this game, how to use new features in this game.
If you want to shine like a sun, first we have to burn like a sun. Beauty is truth, beauty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever.
Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. You can buy a clock, but you can't buy that time. You can work hard, dream big, never give up.
Before the pandemic, they are very enthusiastic to learn so many different types of things. But due to the pandemic, they lost their creativity, innovativity. They totally focus on the nonsense things like mobile gadgets. They are losing their creative talent and they are losing their valuable mindset.
Today I want to say one small story. Good morning to one and all. If you have interest, you can concentrate. If you concentrate, you can understand. If you understand, you can learn properly. If you learn properly, you can speak perfectly. If you speak perfectly, you can impress. If you impress, your life will be joyful, simple, and peaceful. Develop yourself, love skills, and love yourself.
A good education is a foundation for a better future. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Every day is not good, but there is something good in every day. The life becomes more difficult to live. Change yourself to become strong.
Don't read success stories, you will get only message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success.